Hello, kindergarten. It is Mrs. Sharani from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. How are you guys today? I hope that you're happy and that you are well rested and ready for another fun math lesson. I know I am. So today in math, we are going to work on our 5 steps, as always, and our goal today will be to count sets of objects and categorize them by their number, by the number of objects in each group. We've been working on categorizing and sorting things by their attributes, by their patterns, by their colors. And today we're going to step it up a little and work on number identification, one-to-one correspondence, and then putting those same number of items into a specific group, like 2 things, 3 things, 4 things. So that is what we will work on today. We will have our 5 steps of math as always. We'll do our fluency, we'll do a quick warm-up, our concept development, quickly talk about what we learned, and then you'll get to show what you learned in your Google form. Today, what you will need is something to draw with and some paper or cardboard or a whiteboard, anything you have at home that your parents or whoever is at home with you say it's okay for you to write on and draw with. We're going to, in our application problem, you will have a quick job to draw something. So grab that and then come on back. All right, you guys ready to begin? Here we go. Module 1, lesson number 6. Oh man, we are just zooming through this lesson. So the objective today, I can sort categories by count. And I know you're gonna rock it, but first we'll warm up with some fun math games. 2 new ones, and they're 2 of my favorite ones. All right, here we go. Okay, so we have played the pop balloon game a few times now, but I want to play it in a different way. So I'm going to pop the balloons, and I want you to show me that number of fingers the math way. So if I say 3, for example, we know how to put 3 up like this, but we want to challenge ourselves to put 3 up like this, and I call this the math way. So I am going to challenge you to put up your fingers when I pop the balloon. We'll look at the number, show me the math way. Then I'm going to tell you, can you show me that same number of fingers a different way? And we'll try to think of a different way on our fingers we can show it. All right? And we'll pop 5 of these balloons. Here we go. 3. 1, 2, 3. Show me. Okay, now let's think, how can we show this a different way? If I put 1 down, that's 2. I can get out this hand. Now I have 2 and 1, 3. Can you show me that? 2, 1. Good. Okay, both hands down. Let's go to the next one. 1. Can you show me that a different way? 1. There's not too many ways to show the number 1, huh? It's just 1 finger. Next. Ooh, 5. Now, I don't need to count all 5 fingers. I know that I have 5 fingers. So I can just go from my closed fist to 5. Okay, now, let's think about this one. How can I show 5 a different way? Let's see, if I put down 2, now I need to put up 2 on this hand. There we go. 3 and 2, 5. Good, close fists. And I hope that you are showing me your hands as I am showing you. Next one. 4. 4. Now we've been putting 2 down on each finger, so let's do that again. Let's put 2 down and then put 2 up. Now we have 2 and 2, 4. That's a double fact. Last one. 2, 2. And we can show 1 and 1. That makes 2. Good work. I like that game. All right, now this is a fun game too. So you're going to do it with me. It's called Happy Counting Within 5. So we're going to practice counting up to 5. When I hold up 2 fingers like this, I'm going to go like this, or maybe I'll use my thumb. I'll use my thumb to go up. Start counting up. And when I put my thumb down, count down from the number that you are on. When I close my fist like this, stop counting. But you have to remember the number you are on that you stop at so we can keep counting. So if I started at 1 and I'm going like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 5, stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it? All right, let's do a couple like that. You do it with me. Hands up. Okay, closed fist. Here we go. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Kiss your brain. That was a fun one. All right. Next. Oh, here is our application problem. So this is where you need to get something to draw with and something to draw on and something to draw with. Grab that. Now, draw one thing you would wear in the summer. Go. And if you need to pause me, you can. Draw one, now next, draw one thing you would wear in the winter. Go. You can pause me. And then just press play when you're ready. Okay, so how did you choose your items? You drew one thing in the summer. Maybe you drew some shorts or a bathing suit or a tank top or some flip-flops. All of those are things that you would wear in the summer because they keep you cool. It's really hot in the summer. This past summer in New York, we had some really, really hot days, right? So you probably would have worn flip-flops or even a bathing suit or shorts, tank top, maybe a sundress, maybe just your swim trunks outside, right? And what did you draw in the winter? I bet some of you drew like scarves, hats, mittens, big jackets. Especially in New York in the winter, we have to keep warm because it gets really cold. So I bet you chose your items based on the weather, right? You categorized. Nice. All right, here is our concept development for the day. Oops, too far. So I told you we're going to work on counting sets of objects and putting them in their correct space. So let's pretend that we're pirates and we're going on a treasure hunt. Look at the treasure chests below. What numbers do you see? What number do you see right here? 2. That's how old my son is. What number do you see right here? 3. Yes. And what number do you see right here? 4. Yes. So we are going to count these groups of objects down here and put them in their correct treasure chest. So can you help me do this? I need your help. All right, let's look right here at these crayons. When I work, I like to work from left to right to make sure that I don't miss anything. So let's count these crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a second. We don't have 5. Let's count this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would that belong in any of these chests? No, I don't think so, because that has a 2, that has a 3, that has a 4. All right, let's just leave this one down here for now. Let's try this one. Gloves. 1, 2. Okay, show me. Which one does this belong? Say it out loud. Yes, it goes in the 2 chest. Nice. Oh, there it goes. All right, let's see. Oh, cookies. Cookies. That starts with C. 1, 2, 3. All right. Say it out loud. Which chest doesn't go in? 2, 3, or 4? 3. Yes. Bye-bye. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, which one does it go in? 2, 3, or 4? 4. Yes. Bye, stars. Oh, the stars like to stay there, I guess. That's okay. Let's move them up a little bit. Okay. I bet my video is in the way. That's okay. All right, let's try these gloves. 1, 2, 2, 3, or 4? 2. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Which one? 2, 3, or 4? 4. Good. All right, trees. Ooh, these are evergreen trees. We're going to learn about those in listening and learning in a while. Let's count them. 1, 2, 2, 3, or 4? 2. You got it. All right, this time let's say first, middle, or last. Say that, okay? First, middle, last. Okay, here we go. What about these beans? 1, 2, 3. Middle. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, middle, or last? Last. Good. And ooh, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3. Middle. Good work. Okay. So did we have anything that didn't fit in the chest? Remember, this means yes in sign language. Yes, we did. We had these that didn't fit in the chest. Why didn't they fit in the chest? Yeah, because they are a group of 5 crayons, and we don't have a number 5 with a chest on it. Good work, you guys. Whew. So we counted our objects and we sorted them into the correct treasure chest. Awesome job. All right, we kind of talked about what we learned too. Now, I am going to stop sharing my screen with you and move on to our exit ticket, our Google form for the day. So let me share that with you guys right now, and I'll show you what you will get to do today. Here we are. So you have 2 questions, as always, to answer today. Do these 2 groups have the same number of items? So you're going to look at the acorns and look at the squirrels. Do the acorns, how many acorns are there? How many squirrels are there? Is that the same number? Yes or no? Then you choose. Then you will look at these birds and these rabbits. How many birds are there? How many rabbits are there? Is that the same number? Yes or no? And then you'll choose. So that is how you will complete today's Google form. And don't forget to click submit when you're done so that your teachers can see it, okay? Thank you guys so much for learning with me. I liked playing those fluency games. We did some sorting, and then we did some counting and sorting by groups of objects. That was fun. We're going to keep working on that again in our next lesson. Adios.